Today I want to share with you how you can buy Arizon Estate, step by step on how to buy into Arizon Estate in Ibeju Lekki. In case you don't know about this estate, let me just give you a brief before I tell you how you can buy. This estate, Arizon Estate, is from a very reputable company right here in Lagos, Nigeria. 100% dry land. It has government allocation as a title. It's in Eleko junction. It has 500 square meter, which is 25 million now, and it has 300 square meter, which is 15 million now. With 2 million initial deposit, you are good to go. It has 18-month payment plan available, which you can tap into. What a step-by-step guide on how you can own a plot of land right here in Arizon Estate. It's simple. I will give you a step-by-step guide on how you can own a plot of land. The first thing you need to do is for you to contact the number you see on the screen. You can either call or you can WhatsApp. Call or WhatsApp. When you will call or WhatsApp, then I will send you the form. You fill the form. After filling the form, you send it back to me. After sending the form back to me, I will check it and confirm that all your information is okay. Then you go ahead and make the initial deposit, which is 2 million now. You will choose the payment plan, what you want. Then after you've chosen the payment plan, you send me the receipt. Then I will follow it up with the accountant. Then what you will get your offer letter, and you also get your receipt, then your contract of sale after you've made your payment. When you get a contract, what you do is to sign and send back, so that I can collect the contract and send back and send to you. Anywhere you are in the world, I can DHL it to you. Then after that, you will get your date of assignment when you finish paying, and you get your survey. Then you'll be allocated. This estate is an estate that you should not miss for anything. As simple as what I've just said now. That's how you can own a plot of land in Arizon Estate. So the number I see on the screen, the first thing I said, if you remember, I said the number I see on the screen is the number I should contact. WhatsApp me or give me a call. And if you want to come for inspection, also WhatsApp me, or you have somebody that you want me to take to inspection. If you're not in Nigeria, WhatsApp me. Let me take the person and show the person. I'll pick up the person, take the person there, and bring the person back. So, and there are so many facilities that you enjoy in this estate. Some of them is perimeter fencing, football pitch, amusement park, religion center. You have management office, car park, logistics center. You could have a gym. You could have a clubhouse, a clinic. There will be a market. There will be cinema. The whole street will be interlocked. It will be powered by solar powered street lights. There will be surveillance camera. So there are so many things you will benefit if you buy a land in this place. And the good part is, you will not say there's no payment plan. The payment plan is flexible, up to 18 solid months. So feel free to contact me. Let me assist you. My name is Zendy. What I do, I help Nigerians in diaspora. I also help Nigerians in Nigeria to own property right here in Lagos, Nigeria, stress-free. Feel free to call me. Let me assist you. I appreciate you so much for always coming to my channel. This content, don't enjoy it alone. Share it with your friends. I know they'll be glad that you are doing it. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. I appreciate you so much.